What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make a quick video on how to service this Trane whole house air purification system. It's called Clean Effects. And first things first, it's got a meter on here, and it kind of tells you, whether it's, let me see if I can zoom in or focus, sorry. It'll say the pre-filter's dirty. Come on. And then it also says got another meter here that if you notice it says clean, and right now it's very dirty. So we can go ahead and do that. So first things first, you need to shut off the power. So I'll go ahead and do that. Shut off the power, pull up on these little tabs, it kind of slides open. Move this to the side, and then the thing we're going to do first is clean the pre-filter, which is this one right here. This catches all the big stuff, and as you can see, it is, filthy. After that come these other filters. It's more of a honeycomb. It's more of a honeycomb cell, and then you can also wash these off, but the key is when you wash them off with water only, you do not put them back in wet. Okay, they gotta be bone dry from what they told me. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so we pretty much have them out now. So again, I already started washing this one off, but then you just wash them off with water. So pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to it. And the reason why we now do use the old finger, or if you carry around one of those spigots, that's probably a good idea too, but they don't have one for some reason here, so it's okay. But the reason we use water now and not what the manual says, which is like a vacuum, is because sometimes you have unhealthy particles in here, and by vacuuming, the vacuum sometimes blow out a little bit of dust from the back end, and you can get a little dusty. And again, some of the stuff is not stuck on here, is not all that healthy. So you're essentially going to put particles in your van, and it's up to you if you want to do that, but I think I'm okay. So turn it up a little bit. So yeah, you pretty much just do this, wash all this off, and then I'll show you the next step that I like to do after you wash these off real well. Okay, so now that we got them rinsed off, the training that we received said that you just leave them in the sun and they will dry out, and do your preventive maintenance and whatnot, finish the rest of that. And yeah, it's not such a bad idea, but I kind of went a step further, and I just use a leaf blower and just kind of do that to help them dry out even faster. Because I don't know about y'all, but I don't like to take too long on the preventive maintenances. I like them to go nice and smooth and quickly, because we got a lot of work. Okay, now that we got everything washed off, we can go ahead and put the cells back in, which are these collection cells right here. And they do go in a certain way too, so you can't really, if they're not, the door doesn't want to close later on, it's because you don't have the things in the right order, or they're upside down, or whatever, right? So put the second one in here, and again, you don't have to do anything to this portion here, which is, now that I remember, it's called the field charger. This gets electricity from the power door, which is over there, and it, you know, pretty much zaps or gives a field charge to everything that's going through it to make it get stuck later on in the collection cell. So first it's the pre-filter, right? The air's going up. First the pre-filter catches all the big stuff. Then the field charger gives all the airflow, all the things coming in, a charge, electrical charge, and then they all get stuck in the collection cell. So, all right, let's put that on, and then we put the door back on here. There's some little tabs down there. Line them up, click them over, and then plug your unit in. And then now you hold the reset button. There it is. Okay, so that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.